Hi everyone. Today we'll discuss about an IEP. IEP is an individualized educational program for disabled kids. Why being a math teacher, why we need this? Because IEP has general ed teacher in that. We are in the meetings, they require us in the meeting and the kids, the special ed kids will come to our class. So for that, we will have direct instructions, and in that we have to do two things for the kids: accommodation, how the student learns. That means learning goals remain the same, and we have to support without changing the standard. Then modification is how the students are going to learn. Learning goals are changed, and expectations are a little bit lower. That we have discussed in detail. I have made the video about modification and accommodation. Now, how to apply in our mathematics class. So, I am taking example quadratic equation. So, in the quadratic equation, in accommodation, what we have to do is highlight the terms A, B, C in the equation. Whatever the given equation is there, we have to highlight the term. What is A? What is A? What is B? What is B? And what is C? What is the C constant? Then calculate the discriminant. If we calculate the discriminant, how many roots are there we will come to know, and roots are real or equal. Generally, please give them the real root stop. Don't go for irrational, rational root, fractional roots or imaginary roots. Okay. So we will discuss step by step template for factorization. You see one template I have made for you. Suppose this is the equation x square minus 5x plus 6. Finding you see degree is 2, therefore the roots will be 2. Factors of the constant. Factors of the constant, and let them know that the leading coefficient should be used. So they are taking the factor of the constant. Then they have to split the middle term. Here middle term is the term with the x minus 1. We have to split it to in terms of the factor. Split in terms of the factor. Then we have to write x minus a, x minus b. Then solve for x equal to a, x. This is the template they will refer when they are doing the problem. Here 5 is there, another problem will be there, 6 will be there, like that they will find the factors and we are going. This is the template for solving the problem. This is the accommodation we have to, and we have to pre-draw the uh, we have to give this thing. Then they will find the roots and they will put it. The figure is not exact, but just to show you how we have to give. Okay, it is not to the scale. I mean, there is no vertex here. Okay, next comes modification. What modification? We have to use a small coefficient. You see, small numbers we are reading 2 and 3, 50, 30, and simple factors are there. Simple factors. And we have to allow only one method. Don't go by the factorization. Only I have shown you the factorization. Don't go by formula method. Don't go by synthetic division. Don't go by perfect square method. Don't go by factoring. Only factorization is the simple. And take the simple numbers. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That should be the factors, not more than that. At the most 6. Factor should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Then what problem is there? What problem? And suppose you are giving 20 problems to your class, regular ed student. For this, you have to give 5 to 10 problems. Suppose any word problem is there, replaced by direct. Suppose this is this. Sum of a number and its reciprocal is 10 by 3. Find the number. You don't give this x plus and say x plus 1 by 8. Otherwise, you have to again more, you have to simplify more. more if you want x square plus, then you can show that sum of a number and its reciprocal is 10 by p. Suppose this is the numbers and 4 1 by 4 the sum of a number and reciprocal. Make the simple as possible. This is one of the model I have made for this. I will make for few other topic. Okay, that is modification and accommodation using quadratic equation. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends.